How to generate passive income with Bitcoin staking, a step-by-step training page. Hey everyone, this is Erik Burton with the Cryptex platform, and I want to show you a little bit and then go to my training page where once you click on the link in the description below, you will get access to that specific free training to where you can decide whether or not the crypto staking specifically for Bitcoin is for you, okay? So as you can see, I have a pretty big staked balance at this point. You get into this by providing specific processing fees for each contract that you decide to come into, okay? And as you can see, so far in the past year, my profits from staking have been well over $379,000. And then my reward referral staking, which is a little bit different area, it's learning how to promote this training page and or your specific link in that training page. And obviously I've more than doubled my actual profits in the staking platform itself. So this is 100% for real. They use very silent discretionary tactics because of the way the world is and the way the world wants to stop normal people like you and me from profiting in the cryptocurrency space. Yes, you can go and buy crypto if you want to and be a retail investor, but that is a little bit more of a gamble. And this way you can take a small amount of processing fee to control a possible pretty good size gain in the Bitcoin staking space. So let's go to our training page. Once you click on the link in the description below, you'll be brought to this specific training page. It's free to you. You want to make sure that you join right here. That's the first step because it's free to join. Once you get signed up, you have a good email that you put in, then I can connect with you as well with my personal Gmail email account so that you know it's me and I'm responding to you as quickly as I can on any type of questions you may have. Now, I guarantee you these steps in this training page will have all the questions pretty much that you need answered to what is you're getting involved with here. And it's basically just very simple Bitcoin arbitrage or Bitcoin staking. And you see what I've done to fund my wallet, how to purchase a contract. Watch me purchase the 36-pack contracts. They have specials now where if you get in more than, say, up to 80 contracts, if you get in at least 15 contracts with me, I give you a specific refund of a certain amount. And I always email you once you come in to Cryptex for free, and I let you know about the details at the time of what is being offered for that. You've got bonus information here, common questions that were put together. You can see my Cryptex withdrawal proof. Here is my playlist on YouTube. You're probably watching me on YouTube or Facebook now, and you can click on that and go to my Cryptex playlist. And then you can also join me on Facebook and ask me more questions from there. So if you're interested in earning a passive income with Bitcoin staking, click on the link in the description below and you will be taken to this page and you can get started. Have a great day, guys and gals.